Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, welcome. My name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to do live swatches on my own natural nail. The new beautiful limited edition by Catrice Cosmetics. This one is called Neon Nude. It is like a small bottle, like mini limited edition collection, and I just think it's really cute. This collection will be available in at least the Netherlands from end of August throughout October, so you still have a chance to get these, and I'm just going to swatch every single color on my thumb. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would do so. It really helps me out, and of course always leave a comment down below as well. Just say hi, or I'm really curious about what color from this collection is your favorite. But of course for every single swatch I am going to use a base coat first, which is one by Essence. I use that one all the time, but yeah. The first color I'm showing you here already is 01 Delicate Pink. This particular collection contains of 9 colors. I think there are 5 nude ones and 4 neon ones, and I think you can do really cute nail art with both of them, like combine them together. And yeah, I pretty much love it. But this first color is one of the nude colors and it is pretty nice. Usually I'm not really a big fan of shimmery colors like these because they are quite like watery or milky and just not opaque enough. I prefer that my nail surface is completely opaque and my natural smile line isn't peeking through, but to each their own, of course. I do think it's a really nice color to just wear it on your own. I think it will look beautiful on shorter nails, longer nails. Actually, any type of nail this would look really pretty on if you want a very neutral and wearable manicure. And with that first coat, it isn't that bad actually. I thought it would be way more sheer. There are I think there are 2 more nude colors in this collection that are really sheer. But compared to those, this one definitely is my favorite of the sheer nude ones from this collection. So yeah, I think it is quite buildable, but it is still a little bit too see-through for me, or at least for my personal likings. But it is a really nice color and it would be really pretty to use as a special effect stopper because it has a beautiful like pink shimmer in there. It just gives a really lovely glow, and I think a lot of people will like a polish like that. The second one is the first of the neons, and I pretty much love all of the neon colors, but this one is 02 Powered Purple. It definitely is one of those purple tones that is quite in your face, and it's not too light, it's not too deep or dark, it's just a perfect neon purple, and I pretty much love it. Oh, and by the way, for the record, if there are any like background noises, kind of like a whoosh in between, I actually have 2 fans on at the moment because it's hella hot here in the Netherlands while recording this video. It's like 30 degrees Celsius, maybe even warmer now because it's a little bit later during the afternoon. And also I'm doing laundry, so yeah, my room is actually underneath the attic where my like washing machine is and stuff like that. So if you do hear any background noises, I'm sorry about that, but I have like a normal day-to-day life as well. And sometimes that just gets in the way of editing. But yeah, just a look at this color. Like here I'm applying the second coat already, and I do feel like with 2 coats it is decent enough for me. It is still like slightly see-through, but really not bad for a neon in my opinion. Usually neons are really sheer and you have to apply them on top of a white base, but these colors are pretty nice. I was not disappointed at all and actually quite pleasantly surprised, and I pretty much love this color. Thing is, it might be a stainer, so make sure you have a good base coat underneath. The next color is a nude again, and this is definitely my favorite nude from this particular collection. It is called 03 Pleasing Rosewood. If you guys have been following me around, hanging out with me for the last couple, like 3 years or something like that, you know that nudie, like dusty rose colors like these are my favorite. They are so gorgeous. It is really wearable, but just a tinge of color, it just looks really flawless, and it just matches my skin tone really well. Like every time I use a color like this, just wear it to work or anything like that, people are always complimenting me on how beautiful it looks. The nails are, they just really like notice my hands whenever I wear a color like this, and it just looks really like taken care of. Just having decent, nice, like well-maintained hand and nails, this color just tops it off. It is really gorgeous, and I only applied one coat here just to show you that it is quite opaque on that first coat. I haven't applied a second layer because I feel like if you have shorter nails, this is definitely a one coater. And then again, if you apply this perfectly, like one coat will definitely be good enough. But of course you can always add a second layer if you're into that. The next color is a neon again, and this one is 04 Flashy Pink. It's definitely one of my favorites because you guys know me, I love my pinks, I love my neons, and this is one of those perfect like Barbie neon pinks. I love it. It just like throws me right back into my childhood where I was obsessed with Barbies. I still have like a whole like basket full of them, like 30 Barbies I guess I have. But yeah, I just love it. It really takes me back to my childhood and just good memories, you know. And yeah, I just love bright pink colors like on their own. Like they're just cute, they're flashy, they're girly. You can do a lot of different cool nail art designs with them. And I just think it's a really cute color. And then again, that first coat really didn't disappoint me at all. I feel like it is quite opaque for a neon, or at least all of the neons in this collection are quite opaque. Like knowing that there are neons. Neons are actually quite hard to make, or at least that's what I've been told by different brands who actually make neon polishes or makeup items whatsoever. Neons need a lot of pigments, and because pigments are quite expensive, some brands just choose to just add a little bit and then you have a sheer product. So yeah, I really appreciate Catrice for making this good of neon colors. I think like it deserves a round of applause actually, because I've had and tried so many neon colors that were so sheer, weren't buildable, you had to apply a white base. And that is just not the case for the neons in this particular collection. So yeah, I really love that. The next color is a nude again, and this one is called Pale Pink. It's number 05. Usually I'm a big fan of these colors, but I felt like this one was a little bit too sheer to my likings, which is such a shame. Really like knowing that the neons turned out to be really good. I felt like this would be a super creamy, super opaque color, maybe even a one coater, but you will see in a little bit once I have applied the second layer as well. It is just a little bit too sheer. I think it might be buildable if you add like a third or maybe even a fourth layer, but that's just too much for my personal preference. I prefer to just add 2, like maximum of 3 coats. Otherwise it just takes up too much of my time, and it will become a hassle if I have to apply more than 3 coats. That's just a hella long time to wait before your polish is completely dry, and that is something that you really want to do. If you are going to apply 2 or maybe 3 coats, make sure that you apply thin layers and just wait for the coat to be completely dry before you go in with the next layer. Otherwise you will wait an hour, 2 hours before your polish is completely hardened out, and you will definitely get some dents and just damages into the manicure. But yeah, you can see it is still a little sheer on that second coat, but if you want to have like a super natural manicure, 2 coats of this is actually quite decent and just really pretty and wearable. The next one is a neon again, and this is one of those corally pink kind of colors. It's a little bit in between the previous neon pink that I showed you and the next neon orange that I will show you. But this one is called Hot Coral, and yeah, I pretty much love it. Once again, I'm a sucker for bright colors, for neons. I pretty much love it. It is so fun, it is bright, and this color is actually a tone that I think you can use in fall nail art designs as well, especially if you combine it with like darker or deeper tones in the coral spectrum. I think that would be really beautiful, or combine it with like a coppery kind of color, maybe some shimmer, like some glitter in there. I think you can do some really cute and easy to do manicures with a color like this for this upcoming fall season as well. But once again, that first coat didn't disappoint me at all. I do think that if you have shorter nails, that the second layer will definitely make it perfect. I of course have longer natural nails. I do feel like this is opaque for like 95% already, but if I look really up close and personal and just hold it against the light in some sort of like angle, I see that it's still a little bit sheer, but it's pretty much doable. I wouldn't add a third coat to this one. For me personally, of course, everyone has their own like personal preferences, but for me this second coat was pretty much okay. And yeah, that's it for that color. The next color is, I guess, my least favorite. It just made my nails like super orangey looking, and of course my nails always have a little bit of discoloration because I always wear nail polishes, but this just made it look like they were orange, like tiny carrots, and that's just not my thing. Like, I know my nails are always a little bit discolored, I get so many comments on it, it gets really annoying, but hey, these are my nails and I'm happy with them, and I would rather wear nail polishes all the time and have beautiful, long, natural, strong nails than to weaken them with like whitening products and harsh chemicals that are in there. So yeah, let's just stop complaining about other people's colors of nails, because it's just quite rude as well, you know. But yeah, this color, it's just not for me. It is too sheer, that's a first. I really do like the shimmer that's in here, but I would preferably use this on top of another nail polish color. Maybe add it on top of a black, that would be really beautiful, I think. But yeah, it just made my nails look really orangey. And not pretty orange, if you know what I mean. You will see in a little bit when I'm going to swatch that neon orange tone that is an orange tone that I love to have on my nails. But this is just a little bit like, meh, it's just not for me. I do like the name though, but I just wished it would be a little bit more opaque, a little bit more creamy, if you know what I mean. But yeah, then the orange color that I just mentioned, which is a color that I love. This one is called Shrill Orange. It is number 08 and it is just a really pretty one. I am pretty much obsessed with orange. You guys know me, I am Dutch. Orange is one of our national colors, or is actually pretty much our national color. Even though our flag is a red, white and blue, orange is our national color. Like, don't even ask me why, it's just because it is, and people in the past really liked oranges, I guess. I don't know. I just really love this color, and once again the opaqueness didn't disappoint me at all. Here you can see me applying that first coat already. I do feel like with the brush it's quite a nice brush, but sometimes you have a little bit too less of the product on your brush, so you have to like go back in and apply a little bit more. But other than that, I pretty much love it. And yeah, here I'm going in with the second coat already. I just love orange. I love my bright pinks, but I definitely do love my bright oranges as well. And the second coat is just pretty much like 95% opaque again. It is really, really nice and even actually. They apply really nicely as well. Definitely what I'm used to seeing by Catrice Cosmetics. Like, their formula is 9 out of 10 times always like perfect. Just opaque enough with 2 coats. They have a ton of 1 coaters as well, which I pretty much love. Because who wants to spend like hours for their polish to be dry? Of course you have like those little spray thingies that promise to make your manicure dry faster. There's like some kind of oil in there. I never use those because those are really messy, and yeah, I just like to be done quickly with my manicures because we have more stuff to do, you know. But the last color from this collection is a nude one again. It is quite sheer. It is 09 Illuminating White. I do feel like this is more of like a topper than just to wear it on its own on the like naked nail, I'd say. I really love the shimmer in it. Once again, it's really pretty. It's kind of similar to the first one, but this one has more of like a purpley golden shimmer, and the first one had more of like a pinkish shimmer in it. But yeah, I don't think it's an ugly polish, or at least that's my opinion. Everyone is free to have their own opinion, of course, but I think it's more of like a special effects topper or just a glittery shimmery topper than just to apply to the nail. But that's just my personal like preference. I don't think I dislike it. It's just not for me to wear it like this. But yeah, so we all have like different opinions, and I really love you guys for always leaving your opinions down below. So do let me know what color is your favorite from this collection. Do you actually already own some of these colors? Because I do know that this collection came out, I think it was July already in Germany, and I'm not quite sure if each and every single color or country that sells Catrice Cosmetics will like release this collection, because I do feel like we were already quite late here in the Netherlands with the collection coming to stores. I had to wait until I think it was like the 1st of September to actually get my hands on it, because it took forever for my drugstore to actually get them in. I did order them online. They are €1.99 in euros each, and yeah, I just think it's a really cute collection. So do let me know what you think about the colors in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.